Benny Gonzaga Channel.
Hello, good morning! Magawa tayo ng waffles guys. Dito yung wicking machine natin guys. Ito yung mga flour natin. Ito yung mga eggs natin. Oil, sugar, oil, nandito at lahat. So nandito na lahat. Magawa tayo guys. So magwihing tayo ng flour. Hello guys, nagawa tayo ng ano guys. Hindi ko para na-record. Nalagay ko dito guys is flour all purpose 250 corn flour is 50 gram. So the total is 300. So next is baking powder. So baking powder is 3 gram. Stir muna natin. So 3 gram guys ang baking powder. 3. Okay. Next is baking soda. Baking soda is 3 grams also. So 3. Stir na natin. 3 also. So next is salt. Lagyan natin ng salt is 2 gram. Turn na natin. 2 gram guys. Mahiya 2 gram. Agoy. Ito lang. So next ano ba? Ay, sorry. So, water guys, andito na yung water guys. So, this water guys is 400. So, 400 ang water natin guys. So, lagyan natin ng sugar. Ang sugar is 20 ang sugar. Okay. Okay na. Sugar is 20. Next is milk. Turn na natin. Milk is 10 gram. 10 gram guys. 10 gram. Of course, vanilla. Vanilla is 5 gram. Turn natin. 5 gram. Oh, okay na. 4.5. It's okay. So, turo natin to. So, natin dyan. Ayan, nandito na. Of course, ang ating egg. Ito yung egg natin guys. Yung egg. Isa lang yung egg natin guys. Ilagay. Yung egg natin. Tapos, kuha tayo ng mixer. Tayo na itong mix natin guys. So ito gamit natin, i-mix natin yung milk, sugar, egg, vanilla. Yes, mix natin. Last natin ang oil guys. Until siya guys na wala. Na-mix na siya. Tapos Tapos na siya. Tapos ito yung mga flour natin guys. Ihalo natin. I-mix natin guys. Tapos pag mix na, ilagay natin to yung mga na-mix natin na sugar, milk, and egg, vanilla. Yan guys. Add siya. Sarap. May bubbles talaga guys. Sarap yung may bubbles. So, dito na sila. Of course, ano natin guys. I-mix natin guys. I-mix na siya. Tapos, yung oil guys, anong last na yung oil ha? So yung oil is last, ilagay natin. So iwihin natin again. Ilagay natin yung oil natin guys. Ay, sorry guys. Nalaglag siya. Nalaglag na kumba pa. So malaglag na siya. So ito yung oil natin. Oil 20 gram yung oil natin. 20 gram. Oh. 18, 20. So, of course, i-mix na namin gamit tong machine na to. Mix again guys. Of course, yung machine natin pang ano, yung machine natin guys. Of course, ito yung machine natin guys. Today is Friday guys. So yung breakfast guys, ang waffles talaga. Okay, guys. So ilagay natin dito. Okay na siya. So bye bye guys. Bye bye. Okay, guys, ito yung ano ko guys. So ito yung mga ingredients namin. So ito naman yung machine. Ito naman yung machine guys. Yan. So magluto na ako. Bye bye. So ito na siya. Sarap. Apa? Peanut butter, correct. Oh, ayo. Bro. Banyak bro.
Itu komplit. Aku jazz.
So, kopi. Kopi. Okay.
until he fly. Yummy.
Chocolate.
What is that?
Butter.
As any advanced metro system would have, the Beijing Metro also provides elevators, specialists for persons with disability, double safety.
Some women are depression cry every day because they are not prepared for pregnancy.
Latihan butter ke? Yummy.
Usually they put the honey around there. Don't put honey around then like
Sarap. Pasarap.
no honey already.
Masarap.
You put the honey around it. You put chocolate doesn't look so nice. Break.
Ayan.
Spray that. Then look nice and take picture. Is it nicer?
Ito dahan yung top sedap. Wet.
Nice one, not so hard.
Yes. Because the day we lock it up, then this one we use different method.
Sarap. Yummy, yummy.
You shake, then you press. Slowly, don't show my face.
Not yet patak the one. Breakfast.
Oh.
This one new. Yeah.
No, need patah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Come. Give me. Let me do it. It's not how you do it.
Paninggon lah. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Cannot see anything now. You do like that.
Just nice.
That's how the coffee, everything lah. Hey, don't finish we're going to use the scones. This one very kenyang one, crazy. It's all
Honey
lemak.
again. Look at this.
It doesn't look attractive.
Ben, okay.
Yummy.
How come it's too hot now? The cream melted.
Melted lah dah.
Too hot. Melt.